right along Highway US 1 in Mims. The Honeysuckle Restaurant. Exactly is a honeysuckle.
It's a flower.
It really is.
It is a flower. It's called a honeysuckle flower. You didn't know that? Oh, you haven't either.
It's a sweet flower that bees like, and hummingbirds like them too.
So, is it like a sunflower?
There's nice stuff
It's
on
in
the
the same
back,
family.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Look it up. You're welcome to find out.
Thank you. That looks good. Thank you.
What did you get over there, Mr. Woody?
Zip.
Here. Excuse me, sorry, it's overflowing. It's like super hot.
Hey, you eating my food.
But I'll grab you some horseradish as
I
well,
want to taste
okay?
some country food.
Tasting country food. Is that the sampler?
Sampler.
Yeah, it's called the sampler. It's called the
Sampler.
honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle sample. And you got just a cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger salad.
Cheeseburger salad, eh?
Actually, very delightful. It was very good. I enjoyed the food. It was very tasteful. And
Would you recommend this place?
yes, and I recommend the company we have with us as well.
And that would be us. Oh, us.
That's a bet.
But anyway, you ate most of yours, got a little salad left, but you did squeeze in an extra order of apples that weren't originally in the order.
Because the apples are really
And
good.
I was first to finish because naturally everybody knows I eat too much, so I completely wiped my plate clean and they took it away when it was done.
Did you eat?
And she's taking a box at the go stuff. She had the sampler.
That's right.
Everything. How would you eat your food?
Very good.
Very good.
I enjoyed it.
Yep.
Now it's time to go home and take a nap.
Take a nap. And what are we doing today? Why are we here?
My lovely wife's birthday.
Yes. Oh, isn't that so romantic?
And we went, what else did we do?
We also went to the
Blueberry picnic, and we went to Slud's Farm.
Good talking to each other.
And we cut sunflowers so we can enjoy them when we get home.
That's right.
And we also went to visit a friend who recently died at the Canaveral National Cemetery.
We saw Sandy.
Visited Sandy, and we are in the middle of basically the edge of Mims, heading back towards Titusville.
You get your apples, your oranges, your carrots, and anything else that I'm forgetting with lunch, anything? Pretzels, that's what it was, pretzels.
Oh, really?
That's right.